and you work upon it. It is today where you ask someone to introduce themselves and they only say, my name is Hussein Ali Bulafu. I am a student. Wa barakallahu fikum. You sit down. If they say, introduce yourselves, be serious. Stand up, you say your name. After saying your name, you say your profession in making. I am a teacher in making. I am good in English and biology. After saying that, add on something. In case, after giving that whole, in 30 seconds, 1 minute, everyone in the room knows you. You can also add, I am single and such. You sit down. Now technically everyone has known you and you're a serious Muslim who knows that. Isn't it going to be of help? But now you've stood up here without even a simple introduction. Everyone, after even teaching you, you're going to move outside. Like you go and sleep without even knowing your neighbor. You would have started immediately. Ask your neighbor, who are you? Assalamu alaikum, what is your course? You start a journey from there. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala help us and aid us to that. Allahumma ameen.